What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're gonna be...
Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
That's going in.
Welcome back, guys. Today we have some goodies for Nestors STI.
That's it?
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Stop.
Put those in.
Yeah.
Guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we got some goodies for Nestors STI that we're gonna be showing you guys.
Before we actually get to installing them, I want to quickly tell you guys that I took care of my tickets finally, so definitely put me on the right track for the STI over there. So for those of you wondering when I'm going to paint the car, when I'm going to get everything paint matched, or when I'm getting my front bumper, now I can do it because those tickets are completely paid off and we are good to go. They actually lowered it, so I was originally supposed to pay 520 bucks, ended up paying 241, so very stoked on that.
Alrighty, well, let's get to those installs.
Why do you look buff?
CrossFit.
We'll open those right now. And then we got the side spats. Two things that Nestor actually threw on before we started this video is the diffuser. This diffuser was actually the one that Diego ran on his car, and you can't really see it, it's kind of dark. Let's see if I get closer. So it's on there. There it is. And he re-threw the carbon fiber trunk on. So that's already done. We are gonna get to installing the lip again and getting the new STI side skirts on, along with the extensions for the STI side skirts.
Ongo, did you paint these?
Yes, I did.
How long did it take you?
A lot.
Like 2 hours?
A lot.
Pretty much.
I can't believe it actually dried.
It was a good day today.
It's cloudy.
You painted them today?
So if you guys remember a couple videos back, we went to pick these up in SAC, and these are blue.
You never posted it.
Oh fuck, I didn't, because it was overexposed. Okay. Well, we went to pick these up in SAC. They were actually World Rally Blue. So Nestor took these over and got them paint matched. Came out pretty good. They actually matched really well with the color.
I still have these.
Have what?
These parts. What if I don't?
So we're gonna start off by taking the front bumper off, and then we're gonna throw the car on ramps as well.
Hey!
Ever done an oil change?
Stop! This is a bunch of clips.
Ooh. Nice.
Nice.
Part 2.
That's how you're gonna be next week.
You know?
Slammed.
You know what? This is where the lip broke, dude.
That's crazy. Right here too, look. Why do you have a hole?
Because the lip broke.
Remember when we couldn't get this last time?
You were slamming it.
That took forever. The front lip is on.
Do it right. Wow. It's glossy.
Next. We should cut these.
Oh, actually, it's not that bad. It's like perfect.
Yeah, that's what I told you.
Oh, I thought it was.
Why does it look like it's sticking out?
Side skirts are gonna be the worst because of the clips. So spats, rear spats. Go. Little more.
This is loud.
I'll tell you when. Go. You good?
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
All right, so we got the rear spats on the rear bumper now. Those look pretty good. Fitment's always good on those. Now we're gonna go move over to the hardest thing today, which is the side skirts. Those are only hard because the clips underneath the car, under the skirts, are a pain to get out. So we're gonna move on to that right now. Dirt in my eyes, dude. Yeah, we can go. It's a lot of sunlight. We were there for a while trying to find these clips that no one seemed to have. We went to AutoZone, O'Reilly's, none of them have them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use those old clips, use what we have, and then we're going to screw these in together. That way they don't have a problem falling off. And we also got the weather stripping for the new side skirt, so everything should fit nicely.
ASAP Rocky.
Well, we got the weather stripping going. I don't think we got enough, to be honest. I don't think we got enough. What is this? 8 feet. This is not 8 feet, dude. Or maybe it is, actually. This is, yeah. It's not gonna be enough.
How does that sit? How does that sit?
Here, hold this. What's different about it?
Sounds like Marco. Like a mix of Marco and mine.
Ah. So we've been trying to figure out why my car sounds different than Nestors, even though we're running the same exact downpipe, same exact catback. So we're gonna check that out pretty soon. I think what I'm gonna do, what Ruben suggested, is I cover the end of the exhaust and then rev it and see if possibly there's a exhaust leak somewhere. I think that might be it, but
oh, this thing came out really
let's
good.
get back to this. So we got the weather stripping on one of them. Wombo actually went to get another piece of weather stripping because this wasn't enough for both. But Nestor also got the extension. Here, let me go on this side. So he got the extension on that skirt right there. It came out pretty good. The fitment is actually really, really good. So we're gonna go do this one next and then wait on the weather stripping to throw this one on the car. These three. There has to be all of them. Alright, this one's going on first. Got the clips ready. Just put it on there.
From top to bottom or what?
Push the top in first.
Oh, I can't even see the thing.
Let's check out this side over here. So there they are, they're on. I know it's a little hard to see because they're black and it's kind of dark outside, but they went on. What we figured out was the weather stripping was getting in the way, so we decided not to run the weather stripping.
No mames, I just went for nothing.
Looks so good. Show them the back now with the spats and everything. and the diffuser.
Damn. That looks good.
The box.
Recording.
Just come inside.
Ah, looks good. Remember guys, we had something for the front end of Nestor's car? Well, that just came in and we're gonna go ahead and show you guys.